Hello everyone and welcome. I just wanted to show, or to make this video to show the new and updated tune from Alex from Stratified. The purpose of this tune was to get rid of engine torque limiters. As you can tell, car's driving in drive mode. Very nice and smooth, very quiet. It's not ridiculous as it was before. Once again, the tune has been revised to make the drivability as smooth as OEM as possible. The car has MagnaFlow racing muffler and resonator this time. So during regular driving conditions, the car is very, very quiet. As you can tell, we've got neighbors nearby and they're very happy with this. All I can hear is the noise of the tire. Very, very tame. Sounds very good. And the car drives just like it should. Thank you, Alex, again, for doing such a phenomenal job. And just going to give a little overview, walk of the vehicle, just to kind of show how it looks like. Next step will be brakes, probably. And I got to do some body work. There's a couple minor imperfections here and there, but she's pretty much stock looking, unless you really start paying attention to what's done in certain areas of the vehicle. But I'm very, very happy with the results. The wheels are looking really, really good. These are Yankee RPF1 18x9 ET35, so 35 no offset. They fit just right. I probably have to adjust the height of the wheels, or the suspension, in the front as much as I possibly can. If I can, I have to look at it. But the back end sits a little bit higher than the front, which, you know, it's not all that bad, but it's a gorgeous looking vehicle. It's kind of hard to tell in the camera, but in person it just shines, and it's pretty hard to make white vehicle shine. And this sure is a clean